Welcome to the City of Miami Beach Online Permitting Resource Center. Today's session will cover how to apply for permits online. Let's get started. Open your internet browser and go to miamibeachfl.gov. Next, click City Hall and then Building. Then scroll down to the heading Related Resources and click on the icon for Online Permitting Resource Center. If you do not have a Citizen Self-Service or CSS account, scroll down to the How-To guides and follow the instructions on how to create a CSS account. If you're a contractor and this is your first time doing work in Miami Beach, click here to visit our contractors page for information on registering your company with the City of Miami Beach before creating your CSS account. Once you've created your account, come back to the Online Permitting Resource Center, and here at the top of the page, you're going to click on the Apply Here button. This will take you to the CSS portal. Once here, click on Login to log into your CSS account. Now, look for the desired permit type that matches the work to be done and click Apply. If you do not find the permit type you're looking for, select Building Process Initiation, or BPI, and click Apply. Let's assume that your permit type is not in the list of direct applications, so I will select the BPI application. The first step is to add the location of work to be performed. Type the address in the search box and click on the magnifying lens to start the search. Do not use the parcel search, simply type out the address. Next, select your address and click Add, and then click Next. Here you're going to enter the description of work you'll be doing. Please be sure to be as detailed as possible for the description. Then enter the square footage of the property and the cost of the project excluding cost of work done by subcontractors. Then click Next. You must add the owner's contact information, including email address, so click on the Owner Add Contact card. You can search for the owner or enter their information manually. Here I'm going to enter it manually. You can also add any other user you wish to have access, such as a permit expediter or assistant. Click Next to move on. Very important. Please read through the entire page before moving on. Also, before selecting whether to opt in or opt out, please read through the newly created Florida Statute 553 to discern which option is best for you. Once you have read through it, select the agreement statement and then choose whether to opt in or opt out. If this application is related to a master permit, violation, or building recertification, fill in the field with the related process number. Next, select the permit type. Here I'm going to select Building Residential. Then, for the work class, I'm going to select Alteration. For property information, I'm selecting Residential Family Residence. Next, if the permit requires a roll-off container for demolished construction material collection, select Yes, and then enter the company's name in the next field. Next, if your work will be part of a Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, or LEED, or if it will be completed by a private provider, select the appropriate box. Next, if your project will alter or add elevators, structural elements, or affect load-bearing walls, select the appropriate box here. Lastly, agree to the terms and click Next. Since this is a BPI application, you don't have to enter any information here. If this were a direct application, you would upload your signed application, drawings, and documents. So for now, just click Next. Look over everything to make sure the information is accurate before you click Submit. Now, to complete the BPI process, you must pay the $50 upfront fee, so let's go ahead and click Add to Cart. Next, click Check Out. Then, select the payment method, fill out the required fields, and click Pay. Once completed, you'll receive an email with the receipt of payment. That wraps up this session. Be sure to look out for our next video in this series called File Structure Guidelines for Drawings and Documents. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.